welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com CRO Coin and take a look at Bitcoin because the market right now is starting to heat up, guys. It's very awesome. Let's take a look into this. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $43,853, up about 3.7% on the day. Bitcoin dominance is also coming up to 52.59%. When you exclude stablecoins, it's at about 54.6%, around there. But Bitcoin dominance, absorbing some of that liquidity. Very nice to see, along with seeing some of these altcoins really rally. Look at Solana up 10% on the day, breaking above $80. Very nice. At one point, I think today we were at about 85, but pretty incredible, guys. We are now in the top 5 of the cryptocurrencies by market cap. Very awesome to see for Solana. Near protocol flying. There's money coming in here, guys. STX from Ordinals up about 30% on the day. Very cool, very cool. I'm really starting to see this correlation with when Bitcoin really gets its Bitcoin dominance and it starts really rallying, stealing the show. The Bitcoin Ordinals does well too. The BRC20 tokens, they do well. Starting to see that correlation. Let me know if you guys notice that in the comment section below. But all for all, right here, guys, money's flowing into the crypto space. It's looking very nice. Let's take a look at Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is coming up here. We need to see this breakout above 45,000. It's testing it right now. Let's take a look at the daily for a little better idea of where we're at. We are coming close to testing the $45,000 price level. I want to see a break above 45,000. I want to see that, to see continuation into the end of the year to maybe about $50,000, $48,000. I do think that if we come up here and we test this 45K, we probably will make a breakout. We probably will break out to about 48,000, give or take a couple thousand, so maybe 47,000, maybe 50,000. I think that's an appropriate price level to be looking at in this rally. I think that it's a very plausible situation and outcome to see it happen. But I do want to also emphasize, guys, that come January 10th, we're having the Bitcoin spot ETF deadline. Will it be approved or will it be rejected? Will it be a sell the news event or will it be a buy the news event? Very rare that there are buy the news events, but this could be a very bullish event. This could cause some fireworks. Maybe this will be what brings us up into the 50,000s come January. Maybe that's what we'll have to see. But guys, also don't forget we have the Bitcoin halving coming up in about April. It's a few months away. I do expect you will not see Bitcoin make a capitulation to the downside before January 10th. I think it's basically a pretty safe bet here to be long on crypto leading up to this Bitcoin spot ETF. But that's not financial advice. I personally put my money where my mouth is. I'm trading altcoins. I'm in Solana. I'm in CRO Coin. I'm in the Cronos ecosystem. I'm trading altcoins right now. But come January 10th, if it's a sell news event, that might be a opportune time to see a capitulation event that we've seen prior pre-halving years, where we had this big capitulation down, about a 50% drawdown. That was a black swan event, but in the previous years as well, we have had these little capitulations and these drawdowns leading up into the Bitcoin halving. And that is something that I am keeping my eyes open to, but that being said, things are looking pretty good. Even in the stock market, the NASDAQ is making new all-time highs. It's pretty good for Bitcoin. Usually, NASDAQ is quite correlated with the performance of crypto and risk-on assets. We have a election year coming up here. Usually, it's pretty good. Usually, there's not a bearish, brutal election year. It's not favorable for the already elected party. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. But let's take a look over at CRO Coin right now because CRO Coin is trying to test and break out that 10-cent price level. This is the place to be. We are just trading at this 10-cent price level, flipping it, resistance, support, flipping it and flipping it. We need to see a breakout above it and a continuation. We need to see a continuation. We need to see a breakout above 12 cents. It seems like CRO Coin is pegged below the 12 cents price level and pegged on this 10-cent price level. Guys, I do want to say something to my CRO Coin holders and to my CRO Coin maximalists. I believe in CRO Coin. I think that there will be fireworks in the bull market when there's mania. I think that there will be fireworks. We'll see a big gain. Just because I think that CRO Coin is going to perform well, and I have a high level of conviction that it will perform well, does not mean that I'm only going to be buying CRO Coin and that I'm not going to be looking at anything else. Guys, there is a possibility that CRO Coin underperforms what we expect. Maybe we don't reach $1. There's possibilities of that happening, but I don't necessarily think that that will happen. I have a very large CRO Coin bag, but you should never be just focused on one coin in a bull market. You might get left behind. It's important to look at other assets inside the cryptocurrency space. And that's why I talk about Solana, I talk about Bitcoin, I talk about Ethereum, we talk about BRC20 tokens. We take a look at some other things. I trade NFTs. I'm a CRO Coin bull, but I want to emphasize that it's important not to just be a CRO Coin maximalist. That is dangerous. I'll tell you about back when it was 2016 and there was a coin named Neo. And it was a Chinese layer 1 solution. It was basically called the Chinese Ethereum. It was called Neo. And it performed very, very well in 2017. But you know what it didn't do? In the last bull market cycle, it didn't even break 50% of its previous all-time high. And you don't want to be in that situation. You want to be diversified when there's money flowing into this space. That's my 2 cents. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very active over there. Also, feel free to check out our awesome referral links down below in the description box of this video. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet, lots of free money to take advantage of. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.